Hey guys, welcome back to NextGen Blogger, and in this video I want to show you how you can add social share buttons on your WordPress blog. So social share buttons gives your readers a choice to share your posts on different social networking sites, and it is super important that you have social share buttons on your WordPress blog. So without further delay, let's get started and see how you can add social share buttons on your blog. Now, currently, I don't have any social share buttons added on my blog. So if I just quickly click on this post right here, you won't find any social share buttons added. So to add a social share button or to add social share buttons, go to your dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new. So we will be making use of a plugin called Sassy Social Share to add social share buttons on our blog. So after you click on plugins, click on add new and search for the plugin Sassy Social Share in the search plugins text box. So search for Sassy Social Share and you will see the Sassy Social Share plugin appear right here. So click on install now, and after the plugin is installed, click on the activate button which is present right here. So we have installed the plugin and we have activated the plugin, and now if I just quickly go to my blog and if I refresh my blog, I will see the social share buttons appear on my post. So as you can see on the left hand side, I have this floating interface of social share buttons, and before my post starts at the top, I have the standard interface of social share buttons. Now you can further customize this. Alright, so you can go to the dashboard and you will find this new Sassy Social Share menu appear on the left hand side. So click on that and you can further customize the social share buttons which are present currently on your blog. So let's say I don't want my social share buttons in the standard interface to be rounded. So I want them to be squared, of square shape. So you can change that. So as you can see inside the theme selection, we have the standard interface theme, and if you actually go below, you have the floating interface theme. So I want to change the icon shape of the standard interface theme from round to square. So you have round selected right here, so simply select square and that's it. And you can click on save changes button which is present right here at the bottom. So all we did is that we changed the shape of the icon from round to square and clicked on save changes. And now if I just go back to my blog and if I just quickly refresh my blog, you will see the difference in the icon shape right here. So as you can see, the shape of my icon changed from circle to square. Now let's look at some other things. So let me just go back to my dashboard and let's say I don't want the floating interface. Let's say I don't want the floating interface at all. I just want the standard interface. So let me just go back to my dashboard and if you click at the floating interface menu which is present right here, so click at the floating interface menu and you will find this option called enable floating sharing interface, which is currently tick marked. So this checkbox is tick marked, so simply uncheck this text box and the same process, click on save changes, and now what will happen is my floating interface of social share buttons will simply go away because I disabled them. So if I just quickly refresh my blog, my floating interface of social share buttons will simply vanish. So let's just wait for the blog to get refreshed, and I'm pretty sure the floating interface of social share buttons will go away. And as you can see, the floating interface of social share buttons just vanished because I disabled them. Now let's just look at some other customization options which are present inside the Sassy Social Share menu. So first we saw the we saw how you can change the shape of the icon. Then we saw how you can disable the floating interface. By the way, you can also disable the standard interface. It's pretty much the same. Go to standard interface, and as you can see, enable standard sharing interface is currently tick marked. So if I just uncheck this also and click on save changes, the standard interface will also go away. But I don't want to do that. Let's just look at a couple of other customization options. So the first one is, of course, this list of social sharing networks which are present. So currently on my blog, I have these many social sharing networks option which are present in this list. So we got Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Mewe, Mix, WhatsApp, and you can actually decide which social sharing networks you want, which social share buttons you want right here. So let's say I don't want WhatsApp, I don't want Mewe, and I don't want Pinterest. So go to your dashboard, uncheck WhatsApp, uncheck Mewe, and uncheck Pinterest. That's it. Now that was the first thing. The next thing is, let's just change the position of the social share buttons. So currently the position of the social share buttons is right at the top before my post starts, but I want to change this to the bottom of my post after my post ends. So to do that, you will find this option right here, which is position with respect to content. So currently top of the content is tick marked, so uncheck this checkbox and check this text box, which is bottom of the content. So now what will happen is my social share buttons will go away from right here at the top, and it will appear right here at the bottom after my post ends. So this is the second customization option. The third is this one, the placement. So currently the placement of my social share buttons is on all my posts as well as on all my pages. So if you look right at the top, I got two pages. I got the about page and I got the contact page, and how to and entertainment are the categories. But to be honest, I don't want my social share buttons on my contact page as well as on my about page. So you can change this, or you can, so if I just quickly go to my contact page, you will find the social share buttons. You will find the social share buttons on the contact page. As you can see, the social share buttons are present right here at the contact page, but I don't want this. And it's the same with about as well. So if you just go to the about page, it's the same with the about as well. So I don't want the social share buttons on the about page and the contact page. So all you need to do is uncheck this pages checkbox so that the social share buttons will be present only on all my posts and not on my pages. So that was the third thing. The fourth thing is this enable more icon. So if you look right here, so we got this more icon present. All right. So what this will basically do is that if your reader is not satisfied with the options which are present right here, and he or she wants to share your post on some other social networking sites which are not present right here, so he or she can click on this more option and select another social networking site and share your post there. So this option, whether you want to place this more option or not, is entirely on you. So currently more option is there. Let's say I don't want the more options, so let me just uncheck this checkbox right here. Alright, so the more option will go away and my readers will simply have the options which are present right here. And the final thing which I want to talk about is these two options, the show share counts and the show total shares. So the show total shares will show the total number of times your post have been shared on all the social networking sites, and the show share counts will show the shares your post, uh, how many times your post have been shared on individual social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. And so again, it's entirely up to you whether you want to show the total number of shares your post have got, or whether you want to show individual shares which your post have got on individual social networking sites. So again, it's your choice. So that was all about the Sassy Social Share. I've made changes, so let me just click on Save Changes. And now if I just go back to my blog, as you can see, I'm currently on the About page. And if you remember clearly, I actually disabled the social share buttons on the pages. So now if I just quickly refresh my page, About page, you will see the social share buttons vanish from this page. So as you can see, there are no social share buttons on the About page, and it's the same with the contact page as well. So if I just go to my contact page, you won't find any social share buttons on my contact page. All right, and let's just go to my post, go to one of my post, and if you look inside the post, as you can see, the standard interface has been shifted from top to bottom. I did this thing. I also removed WhatsApp, Mewe as well as Pinterest, so those icons are gone. I also removed the more option, so that is gone as well. So this is how you can actually add social share buttons on your WordPress blog. It's actually super easy. Simply install and activate the plugin Sassy Social Share, and you can further customize the social share buttons which are there inside Sassy Social Share. So do share with me your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.